Probably the best speed picker in Locksport right now as far as the high level belts. Dots has the most. Shout out to Dots as well. Great giveaway idea. This is a little bit after the fact because I wasn't honestly sure if I could do this one in under 45 seconds or not, but I was able to pick this goal D9 in under 45 seconds. Fantastic lock. I love this lock. Despite being a brown belt, I go back and pick it because it's just a fun lock to pick, especially once you get used to the lock. So I will not get it in 45 seconds this time around, so I will spare you the embarrassment, but I just wanted to pick it again really quick. If you're working on brown belt, I highly recommend one of these for your brown belt locks. They're a great intro to high pin count locks. So here in just a second, you will get to see all the fun. Congratulations again, Eagle.